If you want to give your children or students a wonderful foundation in life to do well and feel good about who they are, our behavior education products are here to help. How to Be Good with Polly the Parrot will resonate with and empower your kids with real-life skills to engage in proper social behavior in family, academic, recreational, community, and social settings. Using social and emotional learning, our products improve self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making, resulting in building lifelong skills and self-worth. How to Be Good with Polly the Parrot won the prestigious Mom's Choice Awards for behavior education learning kits. Consistent messaging and characters keeps children engaged and improves learning and retention. How to Be Good with Polly the Parrot is offering over 50% off all behavior education products when purchasing a kit. Visit www.childrensbehavioreducation.com to order now.